Jampeng Metals Company Limited specializes in producing a wide range of high-quality nails, including roofing coil nails, corrugated nails, common nails, concrete nails, finishing nails, and screw nails. Since our establishment in 2011, we have been passionately committed to manufacturing and exporting top-quality nail products. Our monthly production capacity of 1,500 tons of steel nails enables us to meet the demands of our customers. Our steel nail products are widely appreciated by distributors and customers in North America, Asia, Europe, and Africa. We are proud to be recognized as one of the top suppliers in the industry and continue to strive for excellence by expanding into new overseas markets. In addition to our extensive range of nail products, we have diversified our business by investing in collaborations with other manufacturers. We own our manufacturing facility and invest all our resources into the operation. Our company can produce a wide range of products, including ceramic and stone saw blades, metalworking materials, cast iron and aluminium parts, PVC granules for wire coating, and agricultural and garden machinery, in addition to providing laser cutting services and auto parts. We offer a variety of key products such as wire-collated roofing nails, clout nails, common nails, agricultural and gardening machinery, diamond saw blades, reciprocating saw blades, and PVC compound granules. We welcome customers from all over the world to explore our website and contact us for any products suitable for their projects. Our team is dedicated to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service to ensure your satisfaction. If you have any questions or inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact us via our website or email. We are happy to assist you in any way and look forward to establishing mutually beneficial business relationships with you. Thank you for considering Jampeng Metals Company Limited as your supplier and partner.